Hello everyone. If you are looking for a strategy to cover SEBI Grade A's 2022 syllabus in 40 days, then this video is for you. So, the notification of SEBI 22 is out. First thing first, why you should be preparing for SEBI 22. Salary. As per the latest notification, the gross salary is around 1,15,000. If you include even the minimum of the allowances, then it will go something around 125 to 130. But that should not be the motivating factor. SEBI is a great organization and it provides one of the best work culture. Second, in case the SEBI exam, more than syllabus, more than covering syllabus, it is always about strategy. SEBI is about being the smartest in the room, and that can be done only if you are preparing smartly for the SEBI exam. Number three thing, BCom graduates are ineligible. CA might not be too interested in the SEBI exam. On other hand, BCom graduates are ineligible. That means your competition is not very high. Existing study materials are bulky. So if you look at existing study material, you will find that they keep on adding more and more information to the material every time. We know personally how difficult it is to make the material compact. Adding material by copy pasting from Wikipedia or n number of sources from internet is very easy. So if you look at the existing sources, you will find how bulky they are. Third, clustering of exams. So again, if you look at this season, there is going to be a clustering of exams between SEBI, RBI Grade B, UPSC mains, IFS mains, and n number of other exams. So this is a good time. If you are focusing only on SEBI, you can have an edge. Second thing, we will come to the timeline. The SEBI, phase 1 is on Feb 20. Result, it will be uploaded by March, and then phase 2 will be in March 20. So there is nothing more to discuss here. We'll move on to pattern directly. In case of the paper 1 of SEBI, you have 4 papers. GA is number 1, Quant, Reasoning and English. The good thing is you just have to score 30% in paper 1 of phase 1. And in paper 2, this is the real thing that you need to focus on: Commerce and Accountancy, Management, Finance, Costing, Companies Act, Economics. So here you need to score 40% plus sectional cutoff, plus no sectional cutoff. Overall, if you are securing 40% in these 2 papers, you will be eligible to appear in phase 2 of the exam. Now have a look at phase 2 pattern of the SEBI. Here you will have 2 papers. Paper number 1, the weightage is 1 by 3. Paper 2, the weightage is 2 by 3. In case of the paper 1, this is going to be a simple English descriptive test, essay, reading comprehension, essay writing. Paper 2, Commerce, Management, Finance, Costing, Companies Act and Economics. So here you need to secure 30% and here cutoff is going to be 40%. Overall you need to secure 50%. This is the minimum cutoff to appear in interview. Plus they will only select top 3 into number of vacancies. So suppose if vacancies are 100, they are going to select only 300 candidates to appear in interview. So that's how you will appear in interview. Now we will come to the problem. What the problem is? The problem is, if you just count the number of papers, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 papers, and that you have to complete in 40 days. It's a problem, but in every problem there is always an opportunity. So in 40 days, you have to finish 11 subjects. That means on an average, you will have around 3.5 per days per topic. Think for a bit, let this information settle down. This is when you are not doing any revisions. You just have 3.5 days to finish each of these papers on an average: Commerce and Accountancy, Management, Finance, Costing, Companies Act, Economics, general topics. You can vary the time for subject individually based on your preparation level, but on an average, this is the time you have. 3 days per subject. So this is something which is very serious. If you are preparing for SEBI, you always need to keep this in mind. Because if you think that 40 days हैं, 50 days हैं, चीजें easy लगने लगती हैं. But if you start measuring it, if you start quantifying it, then you will realize that things are not as easy as it seems. We will keep this box on every successive slide to highlight the urgency of this task. So 3 days per subject. So what are the 3 most important tips from our end? Number 1, perfect is the enemy of good. In SEBI, you need to ensure that horizontal coverage is covered fully. That is, you need to look at all the papers at least once and you should be able to solve easy questions from that. Perfect is the enemy of good. This is not a time to achieve perfection. Everyone is at the same level. You need to study strategically and not blindly follow coaching materials. Do not touch any reading material which is more than 50 to 60. Even if we increase it, make it 80 in 3 days. If you think reading 30 pages in a day is easy, then try doing that and try to recall the information that you have studied. So having personally cracked all the exams, be it JEE, be it CAT, IFS exam, be it RBI grade B, I know how difficult it is to recall the information even after reading 10 pages per day. So be smart in your prep. Do not blindly or stupidly keep reading number of pages. It won't be of any use. Study smart, not hard. Anyone can study hard if you ask me. Studying for 10, 12 hours, I have seen multiple number of people, they are studying for 10 hours, 15 hours, and then they are unable to clear the exams. On other hand, I have seen people who are studying 2 or 3 hours in IITs. They are scoring perfect 10 and then moving to IITs and such things. They are not inherent genius. They know how to study smartly. Revise, revise, and revise. This is one tip that I tell in almost each of my strategy videos. Revision is everything. If you are not revising, you are not going to get the final result. So what not to do? In case of SEBI exam, we never provide video course. Why? Because in 40 days, if you are looking at videos and then trying to revise it, it is not possible. It is not humanly possible to revise from videos. For revision, you need to have smart notes. Either you prepare it by yourself or you can outsource it to ACADS. Most of the coaching institutes are going to make only videos by reading from IGNOU NCERT books. Retention is low, difficulty to revise. So this is the reason we do not suggest videos in case of our SEBI course. No videos in SEBI course. Bulky material. Please avoid it. Maximum you can retain 80 pages in per subject. That is 80. Even if you multiply it by 11, it will come to 1000. Read only what you can revise. This is the number one rule. Always remember you have 3.5 to 4 days per subject. Just imagine if you would be able to read it and revise it. If the answer is yes, go for the material. If the answer is no, please avoid it. PhD is commerce. This is again a very new pattern of SEBI. They changed it recently. So do not try to do PhD in commerce. Try to cover every topic and then make sure you are not getting any easy question wrong. If you can just ensure it, you will definitely clear the SEBI exams. Again, the focus is on 3 days per subject. Okay, so all this Gyan is okay, but I still see the red box on the top right. How can I complete each subject in 2 days and revise it in 1 day? I went through a few coaching institute notes and their summary sheet itself on one single subject is of 1000 to 2000 pages. So this is a very valid question. If you are asking this question, believe me, you are already ahead of 50% of the aspirants. They are not realizing their limitations and they will be very ambitious in the beginning. They will go for the bulky material and then when there is only 10 to 15 days are left, they will realize the mistake, but till then we usually close our admissions. So now ACADS. Any intelligent fool can make things bigger and more complex. So in this era of information obesity, in this era of information overload, it is very easy to just copy paste from internet. You have Wikipedia, you have IGNOU, you have other research sites. You just have to type one topic, copy paste it, and then you make the faculty read all these things. This is not how things are going to work. In order to understand things, the content, it should be modified in a manner which human brain can read and retain. So this is where ACADS comes in. Any intelligent fool can make things bigger and more complex. It takes a touch of genius and a lot of courage to move in the opposite direction. So ACADS, the number one thing that we are proud of is our team. We are a team from IIT JEE under 30 ranks, CAT 99.9 percentile, IIT Bombay, IIM Ahmedabad, people who have cleared RBI grade B, people who have cleared IFS exam, and all such exams. IIT CEC prelims 99, CFA, FRM, GATE, Chemistry Olympiad, Physics Olympiad, IFS exam, RBI grade B. So all these exams you have cleared, and the thing is, one thing that you need to realize, we are clearing all these exams at once. Like we are not preparing dedicatedly for exam. We give it to test our knowledge, to test our pedagogy, and we have been continuously successful in our endeavors. So this is possible when we are preparing smartly, and these are the same techniques that we are providing our learners. So the why you should go for ACADS. Number one thing is we will try to make each subject in around 40 pages per subject. This is very necessary. We are not going to provide you bulky videos which are made by slides. Slides is copy pasted from internet and the faculty is made to read. We can instead just deploy one AI software and it will read all this information for you, but the thing is it is not going to be beneficial. Expert faculty, we have already given the credentials. It has been updated again for the changing pattern of the SEBI. Exhaustive coverage, despite being very compact and to the point, we have ensured that we are covering the syllabus of the SEBI in an exhaustive manner. Mnemonics and memory tricks, this is very important thing. These are the things that you should be using in order to increase your retention. Intelligent guessing, this is something new that we have incorporated each year, and that's why we are updating our syllabus, updating our course every year. Intelligent guessing is when you can mark an answer despite not knowing the answer. This is intelligent guessing. So how we have done it? We have gone through multiple government and competitive examinations like UPSC prelims for one, RBI grade B, SEBI, and in these exams we have noted one certain kind of pattern. Like if some answer is about extreme or some answer is about pattern, then there is a defined answer. So with that we have come up with around 31 techniques. In case of SEBI and RBI, the applicable techniques might be around 20 to 22. And these techniques will be provided to you and it will help you increase your marks at least by 30 to 40 marks. It will be provided as a separate course. You can enroll for the separate course also. So how to join? First of all, you can join our Telegram channel. Whenever we are launching any course or whenever we are updating anything about the SEBI, it will be provided on the Telegram. Second, you can also go to our YouTube channel on youtube.com/marksup. Here we will be also uploading 5-minute videos to cover the most important topics of the SEBI. And also we have provided our contact details. In case you have any queries or questions, feel free to comment or reach out to us. Thank you.